Hey ho, folding molding crew, another paper craft just for you. Smooth your sheet and take a breath. Today we're folding a swan, full of elegance and depth. Welcome back to PaperMamiOrigami. Today's creation is an origami swan, graceful, simple, and peaceful to fold. All you need is a single square sheet of paper. White is classic, but feel free to make your swan pink, gold, or rainbow. Now, here's a little bird joke while you crease. Why did the origami swan bring a suitcase? Because it was ready to unfold a new journey. Take your time, fold gently. This isn't a race. Each crease is a breath, and every fold is a moment of calm. Remember, no glue, no scissors, just your hands and a bit of focus. And if you enjoy this kind of calm creation, make sure to subscribe to Paper Mommy Origami. We've got a flock of new folds coming your way every day. Now then, let's glide into it. Flamingo. And that's a wrap, folding molding crew. Thanks for watching. You did awesome today. If you had fun, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Paper Mommy Origami for more relaxing folds. We've got plenty more paper magic waiting for you, so check out the channel and pick your next fold. Until next time, keep calm and fold on. Hey ho!